Another question from another viewer is, if I could buy only 3 of the Gaia Green products, what would they be?
Well, my number one choice is always all-purpose. It's got a combination of our best products in it, and you're going to get the best value, and different plants will take what they need. Then it would be the glacial rock dust, which has broad spectrum trace minerals. There's some, in some cases, plants like orchids that don't need a lot of nutrient, but they do need minerals to bring out those bright colors in their flowers and so on. So always glacial rock dust. I don't plant anything without it, or I haven't in the last 30 years, and I'm not about to start now. And then the third would be the worm castings, Gaia Green worm castings, which are a very high quality African nightcrawler casting, and they contain tens of thousands of species of beneficial bacteria and fungi that process nutrients, break it all down. So they're the biology, and these are the nutrients that feed that biology, and they do all their cycling and feed the plants.